I'm with Edward right now. Edward, say he's a very good friend of mine. Say he's looking for work, so I just to put him to work. But the way I put him to work, I say this is how much money he could be making, a lot of money. So therefore, come with me. So tell the people, say how you feel by giving me, by finding a job right now since you've been working out.
Oh, I feel good about finding a job. I need a job. You work.
You didn't work.
I work,
Yeah,
yes.
I don't give
And I
people a job.
appreciate the opportunity.
Definitely, definitely. It's all my pleasure, to do that for you. Because work is like, the job is like that journey of work. That's why it's for a job. So if I give you a job, you're always gonna be broke somehow, some way. Because bills, you're gonna pay the bills, you're gonna buy cigarettes, all kind of stuff. But when I give you work, you work for yourself. You go out there, and sell whatever you got to sell. The promotion is help support tourism back to Haiti. Because Haiti is a lot of mess. Because that's my country, that's why I'm working to give back. Not just Haiti. I'm just working for Haiti. No, I'm working all over, for a lot of people. Like you're looking at Japan and everything, all the places, what's going on. Because in Haiti, the earthquake, when it's passed, a lot of people start feeling the earthquake also. So something is big gonna happen, So Jesus, I say, I just saved me. So, I'll save a lot of people also out there. So tell me about Edward. So once you've been looking for a job, you never find a job?
No, I can't. It's hard to find a job out there now. These jobs are hard to find, and the economy's bad and slow. And I had a job looking, but can't find one yet.
Can't find one yet. So you wait.
So, look out.
Oh yeah,
Start
everything's
paying my
gonna
bills and put some food on my table.
That's
and
good. And we give food away, to that company that Friday. Because right now I'll let people know where I'm at. I'm in Gold Coast Plaza in Fort Lauderdale, and you see the zip code is 33313. Fort Lauderdale, Lauderdale Lakes, Auckland Park. You're gonna get some more information from me. Say where you can find me. This number. Let me give you this number right quick. 954-871-0709. Okay, once again the phone number is 954-871-0909. Stay tuned and Jack TV. Say Jack TV is the best TV. Do you have any last words to go on there?
no, just I appreciate Jack. If you need any help, come see Jack. He'll help you.
That's why thank you for doing business with you, sir. Say you shake hand right there. Say that this way on business. Say to make stuff, say put you will work for, tell me give you a job, say put you as a slavery for me. No. Because we don't like people in slavery. That's why I'm trying to let my people know also. To help them out, the people, say, hey, do not give them jobs. I need to give them work. So the sky is the limit for them. Is how much more energy they put out there, that's how much money they're gonna be making. Alright? For you to talk to you, so we gotta go to we gotta take a break. One of the best TV stations online on YouTube and Google and everywhere.